The situation around former Kaduna State Governor Nasir El-Rufai has quickly become one of the most talked about political stories in Nigeria right now. Reports say the Department of State Services has taken formal legal steps, with a court date set for February 25 over allegations connected to the interception of sensitive phone communications and issues linked to cyber regulations. The news has stirred conversation across the country because of the people involved and the question it raises about governance, accountability, and how institutions handle matters of national importance. As events continue to unfold, many Nigerians are trying to understand what exactly led to this moment. According to information circulating in public discussions, the matter appears to be connected to statements made during a media appearance where references were made to conversations involving top security officials. Those remarks reportedly attracted attention from authorities, who then began looking into whether any laws related to communication privacy or cyber conduct may have been breached. The authorities have now moved forward with legal proceedings so that the court can review the facts. At this point, it is important to remember that these are allegations, and the legal process exists to carefully examine evidence and allow all sides to present their positions. The upcoming court appearance is expected to formally outline the charges and set the tone for what could become a closely watched legal process. Many observers say the case will likely attract strong public interest because of the wider implications it may carry. If you are finding this update helpful, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe so you can continue to receive clear and reliable updates as the story develops. For those who have followed Nigerian politics over the years, Nasir El-Rufai is a familiar figure. He has held important public offices, including serving as governor and earlier as a federal minister, and he is known for speaking openly on national issues. Because of his prominence, any development involving him naturally draws attention from supporters, critics, analysts, and ordinary citizens who want to understand what is happening behind the headlines. The current situation is not just about one individual, it also touches on broader questions about how laws governing communication and digital activity are applied. In today's world, where technology plays a major role in governance and daily life, rules around privacy and information handling are taken very seriously. Authorities often emphasize that protecting sensitive communications is essential for maintaining trust and stability, which is why any allegation in this area is treated with caution. Across social and political discussions, different opinions are emerging. Some people are focusing on the legal aspects and waiting to see how the court will interpret the facts. Others are looking at the political context and wondering whether the case could influence future alignments or debates within the political space. There are also many citizens who simply want clarity and reassurance that due process will be followed. Observers note that the legal process will likely involve careful examination of evidence, legal arguments, and procedural steps that may take time. Court cases of this nature rarely move instantly, as the justice system aims to ensure fairness and thorough review. This means the public may receive updates gradually as hearings take place and decisions are made. Beyond the courtroom, the story is sparking conversations about institutional responsibility. Many Nigerians believe that strong institutions are key to a stable democracy, and they often watch closely to see how agencies carry out their duties. Situations like this can become moments for reflection on how laws are enforced and how transparency is maintained. There is also discussion about the importance of communication between leaders and the public. When major developments occur, clear information helps reduce uncertainty and allows citizens to stay informed. Analysts say that open dialogue and accurate reporting play a vital role in ensuring that conversations remain constructive rather than speculative. As the court date approaches, attention is expected to grow. Political watchers, legal experts, and members of the public will likely monitor proceedings closely, looking for signals about how the case might unfold. The early stages of any legal matter often set expectations, and many people are eager to see how events progress once formal hearings begin. At the same time, it is worth noting that Nigeria has experienced many moments where legal and political developments intersect. These moments often generate intense public debate because they highlight the relationship between governance, law, and accountability. The current situation fits into that broader pattern, reminding citizens of the importance of institutional processes. In conversations around the country, some people are emphasizing the principle that everyone is subject to the law, while others stress the need for fairness and careful evaluation. These perspectives reflect the diversity of views within society and show how engaged Nigerians are with issues that affect national life. If you appreciate balanced updates like this, please like this video and subscribe so you do not miss future developments as we continue to follow the story closely. Another point being discussed is how such cases can influence public confidence. When legal processes are handled transparently and professionally, they can reinforce trust in institutions. Many observers say that clear communication from authorities and respect for due process are essential for maintaining credibility. There is also interest in what this situation might mean for the broader political environment. While it is too early to predict outcomes, analysts often examine how major legal cases can shape public discourse and influence political strategies. The reactions from different stakeholders may provide insight into how the landscape evolves. From a governance perspective, stories like this highlight the complexity of leadership and decision-making. Leaders operate in environments where actions and statements can have significant consequences, and legal frameworks exist to guide conduct. The ongoing developments serve as a reminder of the responsibilities that come with public office. Public reaction has included calls for patience and objectivity. Many voices are encouraging citizens to avoid rushing to conclusions and instead allow the legal process to run its course. This approach reflects an understanding that courts exist to establish facts through careful examination. In addition, discussions are taking place about the role of the media in reporting sensitive matters. Responsible reporting helps ensure that information is presented accurately and respectfully, allowing audiences to form informed opinions. Balanced coverage can contribute to constructive dialogue rather than unnecessary tension. Looking ahead, the next steps will likely involve formal court proceedings where details of the case are presented. Observers expect that legal representatives on both sides will outline their positions, after which the court will determine how to proceed. Each stage may bring new information that helps clarify the situation. For many citizens, the key interest lies in understanding what lessons can be learned. Situations involving high-profile figures often prompt reflection on governance standards, legal compliance, and the importance of accountability. These conversations can contribute to broader efforts aimed at strengthening democratic institutions. It is also important to recognize that public interest stories can evolve quickly. New developments, statements, or clarifications may emerge, shaping how the situation is understood. Staying informed through credible updates helps ensure that discussions remain grounded in facts rather than speculation. As conversations continue, there is a shared hope among many Nigerians that the process will be handled with professionalism and fairness. Respect for legal procedures is widely seen as essential for maintaining stability and ensuring that justice is served. If you have been following closely, you may notice how this story connects to larger themes about leadership, responsibility, and institutional integrity. These themes resonate beyond individual cases and speak to the broader aspirations of citizens who value transparency and good governance. Throughout the unfolding events, observers emphasize the importance of calm and respectful dialogue. Constructive discussion allows different perspectives to be heard while maintaining focus on the facts. This approach can help foster understanding even when opinions differ. In the coming days, attention will likely remain focused on official updates and court proceedings. Analysts will continue to interpret developments, while the public will watch to see how events progress. Each new piece of information may contribute to a clearer picture of the situation. As we reflect on the story, it becomes evident that moments like this underscore the role of institutions in shaping national life. The actions taken by agencies, the decisions made by courts, and the responses from leaders all contribute to the evolving narrative. For viewers seeking clarity, the most important thing is to stay informed and consider information carefully. Reliable updates and thoughtful analysis can help navigate complex situations and support meaningful conversations about the issues at hand. Please remember to like this video and subscribe so you can stay updated with accurate and easy to understand reports as more information becomes available. As the legal process unfolds, many will continue to watch with interest, aware that the outcome may carry implications beyond the immediate case. Regardless of differing views, there is a shared recognition of the importance of fairness, transparency, and respect for the rule of law. The story remains ongoing, and attention will remain high as the court date approaches and proceedings begin. Updates are expected to provide further insight into the facts and the direction of the case, helping the public understand the developments more clearly. In times like these, informed discussion plays a crucial role in shaping public understanding. By following credible information and engaging thoughtfully, citizens contribute to a more informed and balanced national conversation. As we continue to monitor events, the focus remains on clarity, accuracy, and respect for the legal process. The coming period will likely bring new perspectives and updates that deepen understanding of the situation. Thank you for staying with this report, and please like this video and subscribe for more clear and professional updates as we keep following the story and bringing you the latest information.